How to make slow motion video on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can create a slow motion video on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Snapchat and head towards your camera icon section in order to open camera. So on your capture screen, you have to press and hold the shutter button to start recording your video. You have to keep holding record and make sure you're capturing something with the movement to get the best slow motion effect. Once the video is recorded, leave the shutter button and you will land on your edit screen pop-up. Now, in order to create a slow motion, you have to swipe to your left, and at the bottom of your interface there you will see VS icon, which is your speed option. There, if you see a snail icon, that is basically the slow motion option, which will add slow motion effect or speed to your video, as you can see. So once done, you can simply save this video or share it with some of your friends. And that's how you can create slow motion video on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.